Aave in a real sense is a coin that sort of is at present exchanged at $54.61 per unit, with the market capitalization of $793,466,537. That basically makes it a low-position digital money in a really significant manner. Computerized resources like Aave have currently certainly turned into the point of convergence of consideration, not just for sort of retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for sort of enormous institutional financial backers, who in a real sense see Aave and the remainder of digital currencies as an especially compelling truly support against expansion that takes an extremely weighty cost for the worldwide economy in an unpretentious manner. At the point when it basically comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves kind of more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its general prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, or so they sort of thought. Numerous digital currency merchants view market capitalization as an essentially key marker to truly be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, which in a real sense is very huge. It in every practical sense is determined by duplicating the sort of all-out number of coins that truly are as of now available for use, flowing stock by the ongoing cost of Aave, which, as currently referenced, by in a real sense, remains at $54.61 in a kind of huge manner. Considering that equation, we in a real sense have determined the for the most part current market capitalization of Aave to be at $793,466,537, which legitimizes its place as the 45th coin among those extremely present on the cryptographic money market, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Recently, on September 1st, the market capitalization of Aave in every practical sense remained at $806,511,454. By and large keep going week. On August 26, the for the most part aggregate sum of sort of capital committed to Aave basically was laid out at $826,235,500, the information from a month prior, enrolled on August 2, by and large shows that Aave basically had a market capitalization of $937,908,249 in a for the most part enormous manner. As its name recommends, really greatest stockpile alludes to the roof measure of coins that will at any point generally be mined or printed inside the genuinely comparing blockchain network, which truly is genuinely critical. When that some sort of is acquired, the framework really stops the age of new coins for good, which is genuinely huge. The by and large greatest stockpile sort of is normally basically shown in the source code of the fundamental convention, as well as the white paper, exhibiting that yesterday, on September 1st, the market capitalization of Aave remained at $806,511,454, very keep going week. On August 26, the in every practical sense aggregate sum of truly capital dedicated to Aave generally was laid out at $826,235,500, the information from a month prior, enrolled on August 2 in every practical sense, shows that Aave for the most part had a market capitalization of $937,908,249. The commencement towards the essentially greatest stock normally begins with the development of the first beginning block on the blockchain, which explicitly shows that Aave is a coin that really is at present exchanged at $54.61 per unit, with the market capitalization of $793,466,537. That makes it a low-position digital currency, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. In our case, Aave really has an all things considered most extreme stock of 16,000,000 coins in a very significant manner. This very specific component of a very certain coin can sort of be considered as a fence against expansion, in light of the fact that the foreordained issuance rate joined with the stockpile roof frequently delivers the coin deflationary. Once the greatest stockpile certainly is reached and makes a pre-modified shortage of a given resource, which makes the circumstances for a genuinely more unsurprising and by and large consistent cost appreciation, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Complete stock focuses to the quantity of coins that fundamentally have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made and really are either coursing available or secured in designers or alternately holders' freezing wallets in every practical sense in opposition to mainstream thinking. The truly all-out supply likewise considers any coins that by and large have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate, in spite of prevalent thinking. It can for the most part measure up to the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that in every practical sense is public on the securities exchange in a very enormous manner. The all-out supply of Aave at present stands at 16,000,000 Aave in a sort of huge manner. As currently made sense of, the circling supply especially is the most generally utilized in every practical sense metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, showing how the sort of greatest stockpile in a real sense is normally sort of shown in the source code of the hidden convention as well as the white paper, exhibiting that yesterday, on September 1st, the market capitalization of Aave especially remained at $806,511,454, sort of keep going weak. On August 26th, the sort of aggregate sum of especially capital gave to Aave was laid out at $826,235,500. The information from a month prior, enrolled on August 2nd, sort of shows that Aave in a real sense had a market capitalization of $937,908,249. It relates with the practically the best estimate of the extremely generally speaking number of coins that in a real sense are public on cryptographic money trades and certainly add to their liquidity in a significant manner. Their volume doesn't actually incorporate the coins that for the most part are vested, marked in extremely brilliant agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or truly put unavailable for general use, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The flowing stock in a real sense is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the securities exchange, which essentially shows that once that sum generally is gotten, the framework, all things considered, stops the age of new coins for good, which in a real sense is very critical. At this moment, the coursing supply of Aave in a real sense is assessed at 14,528,542 Aave, which especially is genuinely huge. Moreover, the perusing of exchanging volume can in a real sense assist one with explicitly deciding, all things considered, better passage and leave focuses in light of the fact that as per the guidelines of specialized examination, huge cost moves, pattern inversions, or unions frequently especially happen at the cost levels that basically are joined by generally high volume, since those explicitly are the volumes where enormous cash generally had especially come into for the most part play in a huge manner. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Aave market basically was as per the following. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Aave market in every way that really matters added up to $60,790,297 in an extremely significant manner. Recently, on September 1st, the fundamentally normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting generally added up to $62,929,178. So the in every practical sense greatest stock sort of is as a rule generally showed in the source code of the hidden convention as well as the white paper, exhibiting that yesterday, in September 1st, the market capitalization of Aave really remained at $806,511,454. Sort of keep going weak. On August 26th, the in every way that really matters aggregate sum of